All right, all right, all right. We are, what do we have? We have about 10 minutes left in the market. And real quickly, um, do me a favor, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, and hit me up on Twitter. I'm calling out my trades on Twitter. That's off. No, that's trading underscore off. And today we had three trades. The last trade ended up in about it was we took 350 a contract, 350 a contract, and then 500 a contract. And if you're not familiar with how I trade, I do at the money calls usually a 50 delta, and I do units of three. So if you're a little guy, you do three contracts. If you could handle it, you can do 30 contracts. You could probably get those orders off. It's not too big. So if you did do 30 contracts, that would be 7,500. On the last trade we just did, that would have been 7,500 for 2/3 of your position, and then $5,000 for the last third of your position. So that would have been a $12,000 day for you. Really not a bad day. And then earlier that we had a couple of good trades, not as profitable, but still substantial profits for a very short period of time working. If you follow me on Twitter, there's an option to tip your host, and that'll help me put some money into the channel and bring content to you. So if you're making money, tip your host. I appreciate the love and the support, and the channel's made possible by the support of all the free folks out there who've been throwing me change and nickels and dimes and tipping me when they're making money with me. So thanks to everybody who's supporting the channel. And let's get to what's going on here. Quite simply, this, yeah, I don't know if I want to call it a hammer. I would have liked to see a few days down and then a hammer, maybe a longer tail. But we can count this bar as 2 days down and then maybe say that's a hammer. I would like to see us close around this range above this 46.62 area. And then I would be comfortable saying that Tuesday's target, because Monday is Martin Luther King Day, Tuesday's target would be 46.94. So that's what we're looking at. I'm not going to go too deep. It's the weekend. Just remember, if you're trading, you need to be calm and cool and at peace when you trade. Don't trade more than you can handle. You should not feel any stress or anxiety when you're trading. Then you can't make any good decisions. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe and hit the bell and hit the like and hit the road.